Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. I've got the dash chilling behind me on this ghetto ass setup. And it's all cleaned up, everything's taken off it. I mentioned in my last video that I've thought of some like aesthetics type stuff to do to the car. That doesn't cost a lot of money. So flocking is going to be one of them. Nate's going to help me with that.
Yep.
Hopefully we don't screw this up. But these kits are super cheap. It was like 40 bucks for this whole setup. So you got the glue, the gun thing. It's basically just a tube with holes, and then the material, and then basically just cover the whole dash in glue and start spraying. So that's what we're gonna do. When I was watching videos online, people said that you're supposed to try and do it as quick as possible once you lay the glue down. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try not to talk too much. We're just gonna get it done and hope that it looks decent. So I also was gonna do my center console. We'll see how much I have left, and if I'm able to do it, then we'll do it. And if not, then I'll just wait, and that'll be done later. But let's get started on this. It should be a pretty fairly quick and easy video, and I think that's overdue because all my videos have been super long and really boring, I guess, because it's all diagnosing shit. So let's get on with this shit. I gotta change the battery because my camera's about to die. And to the tripod. Oh, we also have Nate's GoPro up there doing like a time lapse, so we'll switch back and forth between footage. It's a piece of shit anyway.
You should flock the entire Mercedes.
Dude, that would actually be hilarious. When I get a new vehicle, I mean, I feel like the cost of the kits would be so much.
Just do like just the hood.
That might be doable. Yeah, but if you're gonna do it, you gotta fully commit, you know?
I guess like gluing grass to it or something.
Did you say gluing grass?
Yeah. Do the turf.
Okay, throw that back on the tripod, just aiming at the dash and leave it recording. I'm going to... Right. Oh. What were we saying? Oh yeah, use a roller. Don't bother with a brush. Just have a brush on standby for the, you know, the small spots.
Yeah, or the stuff that won't stick.
I don't know why it's not sticking right there.
Tell her pull up to the villa. Buy shit in really, she realize I'm on a mic, it's a dollar. Walk on the cook on me, Kimba. I might kill her shit, yeah. I might read her shit, yeah. I wear burlap shit, yeah. Now I raise my wrist. Tell her pull up to the villa. Buy shit in really, she realize I'm on a mic, it's a dollar. Walk on.
Wow. That's it. Fuck, man. Like, it looks good where it's done.
Where it's done, the passenger side.
Fuck, man. Where if Kaylee's home yet? I'm more so disappointed, but...
I don't know if that's brown through here, or it's not thick enough, or...
I think it's just the light, because it looks normal from here. I don't know. Oh yeah, we could try. Alright, so... couple things I've learned so far in this process. One bag is not enough. Two, make sure you get the right colored glue, because yes, the kit that I bought is the black kit, and I guess the store I bought it from didn't have any black adhesive left, and so without telling me, they threw in a brown adhesive package instead, and now you can see the brown through the black suede. Now, I think it's actually supposed to lay on like that. I don't think it's supposed to get much thicker. You can see the brown through it, like there and there, and all over here, but I don't think it's actually supposed to go on much thicker. I just think that with the black glue, you wouldn't notice it. So that's kind of shitty. What we ended up doing, I bought more of the powder, or whatever you want to call it, and we ended up, because the shop didn't have any black, we went back and they refunded me for the brown stuff. But we bought this 3M Super 77 spray glue. So what I'm going to try and do is brush off all the excess fibers and then go back at it with the spray glue. Hope that that'll actually hold the fibers. And is it still sticky at all? Should we try a heat gun too first?
I mean, if you want, it's kind of sticky, kind of not.
Because like if we heat it up, it might stick. I don't know. It just sucks. So this is a big fuck around. The dash doesn't look that good right now. The spots that are actually flocked properly look half decent. But I recommend if you're going to do this, make sure you have all the right colors. I didn't even know you could get different colored glues. And now I know why. So we're going to try and resurrect this dash. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to call this video a failure. I'll still upload it so you guys have a little warning. And I don't know what I'll do with the dash. Maybe we'll just try and take it all off later eventually and then redo it. But the car's not going to be driving for a while, so it's not a huge deal right now. It's just I thought it'd be a cool, cheap, quick project, and it did not end up being that way. So Nate's laughing at me because, well, it looks
good from certain angles.
Dude, from here it looks super good. But I mean, obviously, other than those spots, but yeah, it looks like looks way better than it did before. Let's see if we can resurrect it.
Yeah.
Oh, also, I didn't say this part, but I bought matte black vinyl and fabric spray, and what I'm hoping is once it's done, I'll spray it over top, and it'll cover any brown that's left, while still hopefully holding that kind of like suede-y material feeling. If that doesn't work, that means it'll be like completely ruined, and then I'll definitely have to get it all taken off, and hope that I can just redo it one day. I don't know. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna take it off and maybe like, I don't even know what to do with the dash at that point.
Redo it.
Just redo it, because like it's either the dash is screwed or you just have to try and get all the glue off and redo it. So whether or not I take it to a place that can get the glue off, or I try what did you say, like thinner, like lacquer thinner or whatever the hell it's called.
I don't know what's underneath it, but
Yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna try this again. Hopefully it works a little better. You guys will see the process and maybe the final product. I don't think there's enough to come off to actually matter. Like I think I should just like leave it, spray it, and then vacuum it like once it's dry.
yeah.
Should we test a spot first before doing the whole thing? Like I could try and spray this, or like maybe this area, spray it with the glue, and then do it, and then see whether or not it works.
Have the puff ready this time though.
Yeah. I feel like this is the type of spray I should have used back when I suede wrapped my 350Z.
What did you use? I thought you used that.
No, I think it was like, oh, maybe it was. I'd have to go back and look. Maybe I'll enter the clip in here just to see. I thought it was like some like Elmer's spray, like craft glue bullshit. There we go. This is either going to completely fuck it up or it might help it.
Let's just see this glue. That might fuck it up.
Well, I'm thinking once you put the shit on top of it.
Oh, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Fuck.
Well, I'm caking it on there so it sticks, right? What'd you say?
Maybe.
I don't know if it's just staying because it's like fabricy already, or if it's... Well, I don't know if that's gonna work. Pretty sticky.
At least now I know what not to do in my car.
Yes. So if anyone does this, make sure you watch my video first so you know not to f it up. Okay, half of it's not my fault though.
Yeah.
The not buying enough is my fault.
The
The color isn't my fault. Some spots aren't as sticky, it looks like. Alright, I'm pretty tired of smelling paint and breathing in all this flocking dust, so we're going to leave it as it is. We're going to let it dry for a day. I'll come back tomorrow and update you guys on what it looks like. I'll try and get all the extra stuff off if I can, and I'll decide if I need to paint it or not. So next time you see me, it'll be tomorrow. This will be dry. Nate will be gone.
Yeah, I won't be here. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, so I don't know. It looks
good.
I'm happy with it. It feels way cooler than I thought. Like, I was super disappointed in it until I felt it, and then I realized, okay, this is actually pretty sweet. So it's just trying to make it work properly. Just, I can't stress enough, get the right supplies the first time. Not 100% my fault, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm just going to be really quick with it. How the dash turned out isn't exactly how I wanted to. Using the spray glue and then the flocking and the paint, it just didn't turn out well. It's actually like pretty gross feeling now due to the paint. I didn't think it would do that just because it's fabric paint, but I ended up making it feel really gross. It came out a little blotchier than I hoped. You can see here that I've already tested scraping this stuff off. So I'm going to go through the whole dash, scrape everything off, and then later on I'm going to order a proper full kit again with black glue and try and do this all over again, one at a time. I'm going to have 2 bags of the flock ready. I'm going to have the black glue like we're supposed to. It'll hopefully be a little bit warmer in the garage so the glue won't harden up as quick, which makes it a little harder to make the flock stick and get on thicker and blah, blah, blah. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to scrape this off really quick. I'll do a time lapse of that. And then hopefully next time you guys see a clip in this video, I'll have the proper tools. It'll turn out a lot better. I honestly probably could have ran it how it was. I don't know. I wanted to make it proper and I wanted to make the video actually end in a good note. So that's what we're going to do today. And let's get to it.
Watch me burn a bridge, I've been going in, everybody back home, talk about everything I did. Yeah, I came up from the bottom, now we show them how we live. Now we show them how we live. Watch me burn a bridge, I've been going in, everybody back home, talk about everything I did. Yeah, I came up from the bottom, now we show them how we live. Yeah, now we show them how we live. Black Benz, black shirt, everything out of pocket, no debt. 23, I'm just worried about a profit while you worry about a chick. Trying to get my pockets overflowing, getting rich. Tunnel vision, got a target and I hit it every time. Yeah.
Alright, so to finish the video off, I finally got the dash all cleaned up and I brought it out in the sunlight just so you guys could see what it looks like when the dash is fully flocked and done properly. Like I said, I left all that crap in there from doing it the first time because it's kind of entertaining to see what a failure that was. But now it's all done, it's all good. I won't be installing the dash for a while because I still have lots of work to do on the car. As far as sanding goes, a little bit more welding maybe. So I just don't want the car or the dash to get all dirty. So it's probably gonna go hang out inside now until it's ready to go in the car. So with that being said, let's go take a look. That is it, boys. Nice and soft. It's actually mint. Yeah, so that's it. Just got to put all the trim back in, and we got ourselves the flocked dash. So since it's not being installed, that's where the video is going to end today, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the videos and the build progress on the Sylvia. It's starting to come together. There's a little more body work to do, and then hopefully we can get some paint slapped on this bitch soon. You guys will see videos posted hopefully soon-ish of all the body work and stuff, and then I'll reveal the color probably when it's time to actually spray it. So stick around for that. Hit the sub button if you guys are new to the channel and you liked what you see, and give the video a thumbs up just to you know, help bring some more traffic to my videos, because I've got like 808 subs now, I think, and I'm getting like 40 views a video. So let's try and bump those numbers up if we can, and I'll see you guys in the next update.